Boy Maschinenbau is a mid-sized family business which was founded in 1960. For the medicine industry, we manufacture products from chrome nickel steel and special machines. My responsibility is the supervision of welding, especially in automated welding. When producing machines used in the medicine industry, a quality management system should be presented in any case. The KUKA laser welding cell enables us to make proper welds much faster with a minimum of reworking. We also have a number of products which may only be welded by laser beam. In the past, we were dependent on suppliers. When dealing with medicine products, cleanliness is absolutely essential. Annealing colors are to be avoided because they can lead to corrosion. Also, pores in the weld and roughness in the surface are not allowed. Both failures offer germs the possibility to survive and to increase. Before the automation, we did all these welds by hand. With the KUKA cell, we have an enormous time saving and a constant quality. The distortion of the weld component is significantly low. Especially when welding chrome nickel steel, this is a big advantage. KUKA offered us the opportunity to get a custom-made solution. All components of the system are well chosen. In laser beam welding, precise mechanics is crucial. KUKA fulfills this criterion better than other providers.
Orange Intelligenz.